I don't remember now when it happened, so much has passed. Even now while I am singing in this silence torn apart, thinking about tomorrow, what can we do for a future already painted? Living now full of contradiction, even if I were always right. Watching the present while it's hiding away, watching people pass by, I'm running away. Thinking they're thinking while they scrap the past, forgetting all the things that they left behind, hanging on the hope of a better day, walking so empty through the noise. Life is beautiful, someone says. I'm jealous of that state of mind. But a smile is worth a million, it moves ahead of all this fakery, without saving what never was. It's just time patched up again. Watching the present while it's hiding away, watching people pass by, I'm running away. Thinking they're thinking while they scrap the past, forgetting all the things that they left behind, hanging on the hope of a better day, walking so empty through the noise. Oh, we push things off until tomorrow, things that poison our whole days, without ever feeling any shame, honeying all night and day. For this tyrant and infamous time, let's break the thread of this bond. While it's hiding away, watching people pass by, I'm running away. Thinking they're thinking while they scrap the past, forgetting all the things that they left behind, hanging on the hope of a better day, walking so empty through the noise. Past is gone, something hits when the bag is empty. With all these thoughts I feel, this present keeps on laughing, without knowing what is going.